The drop was insane, and it was done thanks to Black Lotus Audio. They just released their new pack, Boss Fight for Vital, a really awesome collection of presets meant for dubstep. As you heard with the demo that I made, I was testing it out, I was checking it out. I want to show you guys how to make that drop. I want to show you guys why Boss Fight is really cool, and I'm gonna give you guys a link to purchase the pack. So without talking much longer, you really guys heard the drop. Let's go into the tutorial. So I have the project here. As you can see, there's quite a few things. Basically, this first track here is the main bass. This track here is the main bass for a second part. I'm just gonna start with the first part first. Show you guys each preset. I want to note that there's barely any processing on each of these presets. Here we have our first patch. Sort of a red line style pattern on this really cool bass patch. What I did for this patch is that I created some LFO movement here. So as you can see here, I created these two LFOs to make it a bit more varied. And so macro number 1 is controlling the LFO, as you guys can see here. LFO rate, and then the grit, which changes the tone, which creates this really cool pattern. Second vital here we have a sort of wonky virtual bass, which is one shot critical from Boss Fight. I even got starred the ones that I like, so these are my favorite presets of the pack. Quite a few. It's really premium pack. It's just hitting that first note every time. Layered with this war horn. That sounds really awesome. Sounds really brassy, sounds really gritty. It sounds very good for one shots here on the bass, so layered together. You can barely hear it, but it's there. Then we got this bass here, which is the Neuro Reese. Has that really gritty tone. Sounds really gnarly, really nasty. Then I got here some hype elements. And of course, we got the drums, which are Horizon drums. We got a sub, which is just a sine wave done in Vital, nothing special. This is not a preset on the pack. Don't worry, I just made it really quickly, just for mixing purposes. So don't worry, no scam presets on the pack. All very premium, high quality, dedicated presets only. Then we got our second drop basses, which are this really cool it's really crazy patch called Brooks a Cry. And then we got the bass underneath it, which is called Cameron Cleaner. Sort of sounds like that Barely Alive growl done in Massive. You know which one I'm talking about. So all together, we got some effects as well, with some crashes. And this is also from Black Lotus Audio's Paragon FX pack. Everything done here is from Black Lotus Audio, and there's barely no processing. I just have a master here with some presets here just to give it some saturation and distortion, and some EQing on most of them, and like free presets, for example, Killheart's Phase Distortion, OTT, which are all free plugins. We got some EQing happening here. Nothing too complex, and then all together sounds like what you guys heard in the intro, which was something like this. So this was a fairly quick and easy dubstep drop done thanks to the power of Boss Fight by Black Lotus Audio. So you guys want to buy it, you want to check it out. As always, links down in the description. And this is included with the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle, which I did a video already. I've done videos on a few of the packs included in the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle. So if you want to check that out, click the channel, search the videos. I'm going to be doing more content. We got some really special things coming along, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, this was Soundkiller. Thank you Black Lotus Audio for creating the awesome tools producers can use to make awesome dubstep like the one we just heard. Thank you guys for watching this video. As always, you guys are the ones that keep the channel alive. This was Soundkiller, and I'll see you in the next one.